you're not getting the results you want. You're not moving forward at the rate you would like to move forward. And this all comes down to one thing. One thing that if you get this right, you can have the energy to create what you want. And this thing is called persistence. If you can master persistence, you're going to get what you want. You're going to get the goals and dreams for your life. So let's go. Hi, my name's Joe Noya and I'm here to inspire you every single day, and today we are talking about persistence. Persistence is the key for moving forward when things are hard, moving forward when things are difficult. How many times have you woken up in the morning and decided, I'm not going to do it? That's your lack of persistence. You get up, this is really groggy day, you know what, I'm not going to bother, I'm going to switch on some TV, I'm going to go down, make some breakfast, just chill out. And then you wonder in your life why you don't achieve what you want to achieve. You wonder in your life why you're still stuck in a position 10 years from when you started, you got the goals and dreams, right? 10 years ago you said, I want to do this, and you still are stuck in the same position. That's because you've not mastered persistence. Now, I'm not saying you'll ever master it. What I'm saying is that you can increase your ability, you increase your skill at persistence. You need to develop a habit of persistence. You develop it so you can wake up in the morning and persist at what you want to achieve. So it's really important that we dial back and we really think about what is missing from our lives if we want to achieve it. Now, for me recently, I've been involved in the November campaign. I suppose you can see it there. This little ferret here. So if you see my other videos, you'll see it there. But you know, this is again, it's about purpose. It's about getting up with a sense of what can I do to serve? What can I do to help people? And this, for me, is one of the big keys for you to motivate yourself, for you to really start to move forward and persist in the thing you want to do. A lot of time we get up and we don't want to do things. We just don't want to. We think we want to do them, but we don't. The reason is you haven't got a big enough reason to do it. You don't believe it. So another thing you really look at is your beliefs. Your beliefs are so critical. What do you believe you can achieve? Now, I had a call not long ago with a friend of mine, and they said to me, I don't think you don't sound like you believe you can do it, Joe. And I think, there could be something in that. So everything we do, everything we speak is so important, and that comes from our beliefs. If we think we can't afford something, it comes from our beliefs. If we think we can't go and do a video, it comes from our beliefs. If we talk about I can't afford things, whatever, we can still say those things become really powerful. So it's really important to recognise that if we say negative things, they are like 6 more times more powerful. So I read something from the Harvard Business Review about negative feedback. And I relate this into your own life. So it doesn't have to be feedback, it can potentially just be the things that you actually say. So let's just take, for instance, that you say, I can't afford this, or I can't do that, whatever it is, I can't do a video, I can't do a blog, I can't achieve what I want to achieve in my job, my role, my business, I can't make friends. The more you say that, the more you're reinforcing your beliefs around yourself. The key around it is to persist in developing new beliefs. So sometimes you have to use persistence to change who you want to be. So you want to be someone else. You want to be the true you, not to be this fake you, I would say. Because at the minute, you're watching this video because you want to improve, right? That means you've got to bring your true self out. You've been covering your true self with these beliefs that don't serve you. So what you believe about the world is going to be absolutely true for you because you're going to be looking for it. So in that Harvard review, when they talked about there's 6, you have to have 6 positive things to 1 negative, because the negative thing's really powerful. That's going to hit into you. Now, I'm not talking about rah-rah fake positivity. I'm talking about positivity that really gets to the core of who you are. So if you're stuck in a place where you think you need to move forward and you've not moved forward, it's because you need to have a real good look at yourself and where your beliefs sit. What do you believe about yourself? And the test for this is, when you're sitting on your own, what's the voice in your head saying to you? when you have this big goal or dream that you want to achieve for your life, what is your voice really saying to you? Only you know the answer. You can lie to yourself. You can tell other people that, hey, I'm going to do these things, but you don't actually do it because you don't believe it. You don't believe it. And that's what you need to change. You can't build a building on poor foundations, right? Beliefs are the core foundation of persistence, of where you want to persist. If you don't have those core beliefs, you won't persist. You just won't, because you don't have that foundation. So you build the foundation, you build your beliefs, and you persist in building the beliefs. You persist in reinforcing the beliefs you want to install. So we can all install them. So for me, when I started, all this coaching content that I'm doing for you, because I really want to serve, every morning I will write out in my journal, I'm enthusiastic, I'm happy. What do I want to achieve with my life? I want to achieve a platform that's going to inspire people, that's going to serve people, that's going to help people. And my belief is that I can really help people. And belief also gets reinforced. The more you persist in the thing, the better, right? So when I started doing my daily videos, for instance, I'm now up to 727 or something like that. I can't remember the exact date, even the exact day, but that's over 700 videos in a row. And what that does is that persistence to get up every day and make a video, that persistence to do it. And this is why I'm doing this campaign as well, because I'm persisting. I'm using that skill, that habit, because through persistence I've did that, and that means that I can use my skills for good. So I'm now helping this campaign, and I'm doing a video that's incorporated support November. And this all feeds back into your beliefs. But before all this, I didn't have the belief I could do it. I didn't have the belief I could record this video, once a week on the long form and the daily videos. I didn't believe I could write a blog once a week. But what we do is we just do it one bit at a time. You start saying, I can do this. I can serve others. I have the ability to serve others. I have the ability to coach, right? This is where it all comes from. For me, I am happy. I am enthusiastic. I am at peace. I am healthy. All these things I reinforce. So one of the tips I would give you is maybe to write it every morning what you want to be. I am, and say it. I am happy. I am enthusiastic. And at first it will feel a bit weird, because I know it felt a bit weird for me, but every time I write it out. And now what I do when I deliver content, when I'm training, when I'm coaching, these things are much more into my life because I've built up the belief. I've persisted every day in writing out 720 odd days in a row. I've done that journaling. I'll keep a tab on it, right? I'll call it Believe Team Action, BTA. And I've told you before in my previous videos, you look back and it's that's an Evan Carmichael thing. It's like ticking it off and doing it, but not just ticking it off as a tick in a box. It's ticking it off and believing it's true and persisting every single day. And that, what happens is you then bring your true self out, because I believe you're not where you are want to be, because you have something inside you, and I want to bring that out. And this, wherever you are now, you're stuck. That's not the true you, because you know what you want to do. You're just scared. You're afraid, and I get it. So am I. I still get scared and afraid. So let me give an example. I was called to facilitate a meeting, and there's some really high-powered people in that. Now, if that had been about 3-4 years ago, I would have been absolutely scared, and I probably would have turned it down. I don't want to do it. I can't do it. But because what I've been doing over the last 2 years, that I've been building belief, I've been building my self-confidence. I've not cared what people think. I don't care if people don't like my content or not. I'm being the true me. And if you're connected to this video, this speaks to you. You need to not care about the opinion of others, right? What I say about the opinion of others is this. If someone's got a view on what I do, are they in the same arena as me? I'm going to repeat that. If someone's got an opinion and they're trying to criticise me, are they in the same arena? If they're not, I'm going to not respect their opinion. I'm not. If they're doing what I'm doing, i.e. recording videos every day, doing all the things, and then they've got a view, that's different. But if they're just saying, oh, Joe, that's just rubbish, they're not doing it. They're not the people that I want to watch my videos. They're not the people that I want to watch my content. You're the person I want to watch my content. You're the person who wants to be better. You're the person who wants to persist. You're the person who wants to be better. But you have got to wake up every day and practice discipline Disciplining, the art of persistence. Disciplining when you don't want to do it. That's the difficulty. That's the hard bit. But that's where you get the freedom to do these types of things. And that's what I'm for you. This is the art of persistence. So I've got a couple of tips for you I want to share with you. So number one is I want to share a model that Anthony Robbins talks about. Anthony Robbins in his book Unlimited Power. Here it is. His book Unlimited Power. And in this book he's got 4 boxes. He's got, let me see that. You can see there, he's got belief, and then he's got potential, then he's got action, and then at the bottom there he's got results. And if we look at that, we look at potential, belief, we look at that belief first, look at the belief and attitude. So if our belief is low, what type of potential are we going to have? Quite low, right? That's what's going to happen. So if our beliefs are low, what sort of potential can have? Low potential. And then what's happened is, when we try and do things, what are those actions going to be like? They're going to be a bit, they're going to be a wishy-washy. And then what happens? You're going to get wishy-washy results. So the key is to build your belief, persisting, building those beliefs up, building yourself up first. And then what's going to happen? You're going to have better potential, and you're going to take greater action. And when you take greater action, you get the better results, and the better results feed back into your belief. So it's a cycle. So let's repeat that again, because this is really important. This is number one that I want you to do. I want you to look at your beliefs, persisting your beliefs, and do this persistently every single day. Look at your beliefs, and I want you to examine them and go, which ones do not serve me, which ones do, and the ones that do, persist in making them happen every day. So you believe, you write it down, whatever you need to do, journal it, whatever. So belief and your attitude, and you start to build it. So I am happy, I am enthusiastic. That's what I've been doing, and every day you build it. So you get that right. Then it's the potential, okay? Then you know you've got more potential. You're writing it down, you're starting to experience it, and then what's going to happen? You're going to take greater action. When that scary things come up, you're going to lean into it more, because now you can believe you can do it. Now you've got the belief, you've got the foundation of that belief for you to build it, and then the results will start to come. The results will start, and that's what's happening to me. And I'm just sharing this with you because this is really happening to me right now. The growth in the last 2 years is amazing. So it's just about leaning into those scary things, persisting in making sure every day that you follow through on what you say you're going to do, and then do it, and then do it, and then do it. And sometimes you're going to fall off, but go back and do it. So the next day that you fall off, you just get back on it the next day. Don't give up. So that's number one. Number 2 is repeat, repeat, repeat. Don't stop for the rest of your life. Now, this is a lifelong commitment to personal development. That's what persistence means. This is why I'm doing a video about it. That's the key. It's about persisting every day and having a trigger every day for you to persist. That's what I want for you. Having that trigger, so whether it's the journal. Okay, so number 2, I'm going to say is the trigger. So having a journal is going to be your trigger. You're going to get up every day and you're going to journal, and you're going to write it down persistently every single day. And what you're not going to do, you're not only going to write it down, you're going to do it every day. You're going to either make a video, you're going to do a blog at least once a week, whatever it is, whatever the schedule is. You're going to wake up, you might do a video like me once a day, boom, video, because that's going to reinforce your belief system. That's going to, get your potential, and then you're going to take action, and then you're going to get results, right? Think of the cycle that I just showed you. And then lastly, as you all know, I want you to comment below as to what your results are. I want to hold you accountable, and the only way you're going to be accountable is if you comment below, so then I can respond to you, and then you can start to fulfill the life that you want and persist in your future. It's going to be the amazing future self, right? If you do this for 2 years, you're going to be a totally different person, but you've got to persist. So I hope that's helped. As you know, I'm doing coaching at the moment. I have 2 options for you. The first is the free option. You can contact me on any of my social media, email me, you know where to go, janecoachstools.we.com or InspirationNation.org.uk. You can message me to have a free session. You get the free session, then we will post it on social media, because I want to help other people through that content. It could be Instagram Live. Number 2 option is the paid private option, where you can contact us and have a paid session go over to inspirationnation.org.uk or direct message me through social media. So I hope the video helped. I really want you to win. Don't forget, check out these videos right over here. They're all my videos. I really want them to serve you. And also don't forget to subscribe. That would mean really a lot to me. So until next time, this is Inspiration Nation, and I'll catch you guys later.